One of the fastest ways to quit gardening is starting with plants that are too hard. But if you start with the right ones, gardening becomes much easier and more fun. Herbs are one of the best beginner plants. They grow quickly, recover from small mistakes, and don't need perfect conditions. Things like basil, parsley, and cilantro are great places to start. Leafy greens, like lettuce and spinach, grow fast and give quick results. You can harvest in weeks instead of months, which keeps beginners motivated. They also tolerate cooler weather well. Simple vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and beans are forgiving and productive. They don't require perfect care, and they reward you with real harvests. These plants grow quickly and handle small mistakes and build confidence fast. Starting with easy wins makes everything else easier later. If you're just getting started, I made a beginner gardening checklist that covers what to plant first and how to avoid mistakes. It's linked in the description.